Hey guys, it's your bitch girl Jordana, and today I'm coming to you guys with a Christmas look. I know something about me look different. Your girl is wearing a wig. Red hair is gone for a little, but she'll be back. She'll be back because she's here to stay. Trust. So my first wig I did, and I'm like happy. So don't come for me in the comments because I'm happy and proud of this wig that I did. Good. So anyways, today I will be doing a reindeer makeup look. So yeah, let's just get it. I'm gonna like speed through it, whatever. But it's pretty simple. Let's get into it. First, I'm gonna be using my SHEGLAM Smart Cookie palette for the neutral colors. Why does this always happen to me? But yeah, so okay, so I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna use this to kind of do my crease. I have my white base down, and just so before it crease, I'm gonna set that with my Fit Me matte powder. So we're gonna go in our palette, and I'm going to into Devil's Food. I'm gonna go too heavy, so I'm gonna use like a kind of fluff brush because this is very pigmented. And I'm just gonna go right above my cut crease a little, just with the shade. You see? Okay. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with brown sugar or churro. You just want to get that gradient. I'm gonna go with churro so it really looks like that gradient effect that we want. And I'm just gonna pat it on, and then humble crumble above that. Right here. And I'm basically gonna blend that using more of a fluffy kind of brush. So I'm not too sure if I'm liking this cut crease with the shape, but I'm gonna continue and we're gonna see. I totally forgot that I had a white pencil, so I could have really just used this, but I'm gonna use it now to kind of like outline how I want to do my doe eye. Yeah, like that. I want it to be curved, so I'm gonna get my brown pencil out. I'm just gonna outline all of that, all of the white. So I'm gonna go ahead on this eye. Basically, I don't know, is my camera trying to tell me that I don't have storage? Because this is the second time that it has stopped recording, and now I know that I did press. So my storage here is like running out, so I'm just gonna do this one side. As I was showing you guys, my camera keeps stopping for now. Fight it. But yeah, so simple kind of cut crease. I did a dark shade here, which was, I'm just gonna insert them so we can move rapido. And yeah, and now I outlined it with a brown pencil, sorry. Just make it a little bit cleaner. And I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'll be back. Yeah, so I was to put on foundation. I just put the contour around, and then I'm gonna blend this out, and then we're gonna move to the nose and lips, and that should be it. My eye is creasing so bad, and I'm just like so frustrated. Yes, I know that they're two different eyes, and I'm in love with this eye more because this doesn't have the curvy uppy like how this one have, but it is what it is basically. Time to get nose and lips done and finish up this look. Okay, so I don't have like a red shade, so I'm actually just gonna go in with my red lipstick. Actually, I'm gonna apply with calamine lotion, which sometimes I use, and this will help to also to make sure that my nose doesn't get irritated, and it will give it a kind of white cast so that the red should be able to stand out a little bit more. Now some people do like their whole nose. I don't know, I'm gonna for right now just do the heart area, and then see. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna get a black liner. This liner I got was a pretty good liner. It is like definitely black, like extremely black. Okay, fill it in. Now that that is done, you can go back to our lip, and then I'm just gonna do the line to connect. Okay, here I go with my little heart. Gonna make it bigger. And saying that I'm not doing my whole nose, I'm going to use this. I'm just gonna use my concealer to cover up my nostril. Okay, now we're gonna go back with the black, and we're just gonna draw a line over your nose right here to the top of your lip. But I said I wanted to highlight. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. Give me a pause, and I'm just gonna put a little highlight on top of my lip. That's just something I like to do sometimes. Right in the key visible area. Look at my bottom lip, it's literally turning black. So I should definitely set this black, which I should know actually. So it doesn't come off on the bottom, that's what I'm hoping. I'm just setting it with like some translucent powder. So this is basically the look. I feel like I should put on some eyeliner or some lashes, so I'm gonna do that for my top because my eyes are looking a little bit crazy, guys. Don't laugh at my reindeer ears. Anyways, this is the final look, guys. And then my dots, I literally just used my white pencil and just dab it on my face. But if you want a tip, you can use the end of your brush and use the white, like if you had a pomade or the like white base, and just use the end of the brush. But this is my final look, guys. I literally just went and made these cardboard out of cereal box ears because it's not a whole lot without the ears, I feel. So let's see if my little craft worked. Kinda. It's a little droopy, but we have ears. Okay, now my look is complete. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my makeup. I hope you were also able to get it done. And yeah, if you like the look and everything, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays, season's greetings, and yeah, bye.